Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 7th standard on fractions and decimals. In today's video, we learn division of fractions. In this, we learn dividing fraction by a whole number by a fraction, and dividing a fraction by a fraction. But before learning division of fractions, we should know what is a reciprocal. Any two numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocals. In other words, to find the reciprocal of a fraction, just interchange the numerator and the denominator. 2 by 3's reciprocal will be 3 by 2. If the fraction is 2 by 3, reciprocal will be 3 by 2. Why I told you about the reciprocal is, dividing the two fraction is nothing but multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, to learn division, you should also know multiplication of fraction as well as what is a reciprocal. Now you know both, so let's go for division. Now, let's see how to divide a fraction by a whole number. If you look at this slide, there is a fraction 2 by 3 divided by 2. 2 is a whole number. We can write 2 by 3 divided by 2 as 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 1, because whole number 2 is same as 2 by 1. Now, in the division, what we need to do is, the second fraction has to be converted into its reciprocal and the division sign has to change into multiplication. So, we get 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. We can simplify the numerator and denominator here. Just cut 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So what is left in the numerator is 1 into 1, which is 1, and in the denominator you have 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. So your final answer will be 1 by 3. Now let's see how to divide a whole number by a fraction. The first one you have is a whole number, which is 3 divided by 3 by 4, which is a fraction. Now you have to find the reciprocal of 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 3 by 4 will be equal to 3 by 1. As I have already told you, just writing 3 is same as writing 3 by 1. The division sign will change to multiplication, and 3 by 4, that's the second fraction, will change to 4 by 3. Now we simplify again the numerator and the denominator, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 in the denominator. In the numerator you have 1 into 4, which is 4, and in the denominator you have 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So you will get 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is same as writing the whole number 4. Now we will see dividing the fraction by another fraction. Look at this slide. We have 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Both are fractions here, but we need to find the reciprocal of only the second fraction. That is, reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. The division sign will change to multiplication. 2 by 3's reciprocal will be 3 by 2. So we have 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 2. Now, multiplying numerator by numerator gives you 4 3's are 12. Denominator 5 2's are 10. So you have 12 by 10, which is again an improper fraction. The improper fraction has to be converted into mixed fraction in your final answer. So 12 by 10, which is an improper, will be converted into a mixed fraction. Now, how did we get this mixed fraction? 12 by 10 can be simplified with the table of 2. 2 6's are 12, 2 5's are 10. You will get an improper fraction 6 by 5, which is converted into mixed fraction as 1 by 5. We can remember this division of fractions in 3 simple steps. First one, just leave me as I am. That is, first fraction to be written as it is. Second one, change me. That is, change the division sign into multiplication. And the third one, turn me over. That is, change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. And then do the usual multiplication. So, for division of fraction, just remember, leave me, change me, and turn me over. Now, let's try some of the question based on the fractions. Try this in your activity book. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.